Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari on your device and moving straight to the place that controls history. On a Mac, click Safari in the menu bar and choose Clear History. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, scroll to Safari and tap Clear History and Website Data. This step selects what you will remove, so make sure you pick the correct scope, recent hour, today, or all time, because once cleared, those timestamps are removed from your local device. Once done selecting the range, you confirm and apply the deletion. On Mac, pick the time range from the Clear History drop-down and click Clear. On iOS, confirm Clear History and Website Data when prompted. This removes browsing history plus cookies and some cached data, so expect to sign back into sites. If you use iCloud Safari syncing, make sure to disable it temporarily or Clear History on all devices. Finish by verifying that history is gone. Open the History menu on Mac or the tab/History view on iOS to confirm. If deleted items reappear, make sure other devices using the same iCloud account are also cleared or temporarily sign out of iCloud. If Safari still shows entries after clearing, force quit the app and restart the device. This refreshes caches and resolves UI inconsistencies. If problems persist, disabling Safari in iCloud and repeating the clear often solves syncing-related restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.